Simplify 24/36. The first way we will do this is by looking at the prime factorizations of the numerator and denominator. In a previous problem, we learned that the prime factorization of 24 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And the prime factorization of 36 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Now we will divide out common factors in the numerator and the denominator. The numerator has a 2. We divide by 2 in the numerator and the denominator. The numerator and denominator have another 2, so we will divide the numerator by 2 and the denominator by 2. We also have a 3 in the numerator and denominator, so we will divide the numerator by 3 and the denominator by 3. Therefore, our answer is 2/3. Another way we could have simplified 24 divided by 36 is to divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. We can see that 24 and 36 have a greatest common factor of 12. We learned that from a previous problem, so we could divide the numerator and the denominator by the greatest common factor, which is 12. 24 divided by 12 is equal to 2, and 36 divided by 12 is equal to 3. Notice we get the same answer. We can also simplify this problem in another way. Let's say we don't know what the greatest common factor is, but we do know a factor that divides both 24 and 36. I can see that they are both even numbers, and I know that even numbers are divisible by 2. So I can start by dividing the numerator and the denominator by 2. 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12, and 36 divided by 2 is equal to 18. Again, we have even numbers, so we can divide both the numerator and denominator of 12 and 18 by the number 2. So we'll divide the numerator and the denominator by 2. So 12 divided by 2 is 6, and 18 divided by 2 is 9. 6 and 9 have a common factor of 3, so we can divide the numerator by 3 and the denominator by 3. And we finally get 6 divided by 3, which is 2, and 9 divided by 3, which is 3. The first two methods, we needed to know the prime factorization, or the greatest common factor. In our last method, we just took it step by step and continued to divide the numerator and denominator by the same number until we got to a fraction that the numerator and the denominator have no factor other than 1 that divides both of them.